Well, howdy folks. This is your local mechanic here. We're gonna walk through how you change a drive belt on this here car. Now, you can see I've got the wheel off and it's on the lift. Now, you don't have to have a lift, but it helps. And you don't have to have the wheel off, but it still does help. And the customer's complaint was the belt was going. Did y'all get that? Sounds a bit nuts to me, but that's what their complaint was. So we're going to take this cover off right here, and we're going to see what the problem was. If you see there's a tail already hanging out here for us to see what's going on. So let's get these clips off for you right here. Now again, you don't have to have a screwdriver, but it helps. It does help. We'll pull those off right there, and we'll get. Oh, it looks like the belt, because it got a little chewed up. See, it's even back behind here in pieces. So what we got to do now is figure out how to get up inside of here so we can see more of the belt. So come with me. We're going to raise the lift up. See, you push the button and it raises the lift. Now you don't have to have a button on your lift, but it helps. It does help. So now we're getting it all the way in the air, because it's all the way in the air, it helps. So let's go and see what we have to do to take this off here. So we got to get a drill, okay? And you don't have to have a drill like this, but it helps. It does help. And we're going to get one of our Torx bits out of this here kit. Now again, you don't have to have a kit like this, but it helps. So it's probably about a 15 or a 20. So we're going to go and look at that perfect fit. Now you can use a 15 on it. It's better to use. Hey, come on. What's that? There's something in there. There's something. I don't see what. There's something in there, guys. We got to figure out what this is. I just see something sticking out of the hole. We can figure out why it's sticking out of the hole and what it's all about. Let's figure out why the belt came off. You know, belts just don't usually come off just out of the blue like that, but sometimes they do. I think we found the reason why. Now you don't have to necessarily have a squirrel to take your belt off, but it helps. So I guess it explains a little reason why this thing was going.